So go ahead, nice deep breath in, all the way out, and just let it all go. Very good. How'd that feel? Good. That was a big one. Deep breath in, all the way out. Awesome. Nice deep breath in, all the way out. Very nice. Go ahead, nice deep breath in, all the way out. Very nice. Just relax and let that fall. Very good. Wow. Give me full control here, okay? And just let the head drop, let it fall. There we go. Open and close for me. Open, close, just open for me. Go ahead and open, close, and now I want you to open all the way big as you can, big, 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 close, open, big, 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 close.
Oh.
And do me a favor and just open them out just a bit. Now just drop the head to the right and just open them out slightly. Perfect.
Oof.
Wow. All the way down for me. That shoulder there. So give me a minute to just contact up top where those headaches are stemming from. Perfect. And just let the head drop for me. Let it fall, let it fall. Beautiful.
Jesus.
Wow. How'd that feel?
Crazy.
And just let it fall, let it drop. Beautiful. Wow. You can just feel all that tension just release there. All the way up. Just relax it for me. Very good. All the way down. Relax there for me. Just let it fall.
Oh.
Big one. Awesome. Come all the way here and all the way down. Now just relax that shoulder for me. And just let it go, let it drop. Beautiful. Wow. Relax that shoulder there. And just let it go. Beautiful. Wow.
Wow.
Awesome. Did you feel that first few go before you?
Yeah, no, I did.
Awesome. How are you feeling so far?
This is great.
Awesome. Come right in between. Now I want you to push into my hands with your knees. Now keep pushing, push, 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 push. Very good. Now we're gonna come down into, just relax it for me. Send that into some knee adjustments as well. Perfect. Just relax, let the body sink to the table. Oh! How'd that feel?
Damn. Felt great.
You felt that cracker ready, huh? Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very nice. How'd that feel? That was incredible.
Releasing all that tension that I had.
Yeah. Again, big one. Deep breath in. All the way out. So let me know when I get right to that spot, okay?
Oh, right.
Yes. And all the way out. Very good. How'd that feel?
That's amazing.
Nice deep breath in and let it all go. Good. Perfect. Perfect. All the way out. Perfect.
Okay.
So all the way, all the way, all the way, all the way. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Just relax. Very good. And just let the head fall. Open the mouth just a little bit. Very good. Close. See how much smoother? Much better, right? Okay, awesome. So I'm going to start right in here. Let me know when I get to that spot that's real tender.
Yeah, right down at the top. There.
Right in here, huh? Okay. So go ahead and take a nice deep breath in and just let it all out. Very good. Very nice. How'd that feel?
Oh my God, you look good.
Great. Go ahead, nice deep breath in for me and let it all go. Very good. I'm going to come down and give you a push.
Oh!
Perfect.
Oh, shit.
How'd that feel?
That felt amazing.
Awesome. One more time, deep breath in. All the way out. Perfect. Now, any pain behind this shoulder blade here?
Yeah.
Now, let me know when I get to a real tender spot.
Oh,
Okay, nice deep breath in for me. And just let it all go. Perfect. You can see this right scap even out, level out quite a bit for us. Perfect. All the way down towards me as well. Just relax that shoulder here. And do me a favor, let the head just fall. Oh my goodness. Fall.
Wow.
How are you feeling?
I feel like my face is just blood red right now.
And just do me a favor and let the head fall. Let it fall, let it fall. Oh, beautiful. My goodness.
Whew.
How'd that feel?
Oh, my. All of them just feel super deep.
Good. Awesome. And all the way out. Just let it all go. Let the body sink to the table.
Oh my God! Oh my God! I felt that all my whole body.
Sink to the table.
Oh! Oh!
Right, let it drop.
Oh my God!